You got the metal plate. Decently thick one. Could be useful. Bra att du drack lite, Atris. I'm wondering how to do this. I probably need to cut some pieces off. Maybe not in the width department, just here and here. Oh yes. It's not plugged into the motor, but it still spins pretty fine. I'm contemplating the angle of attack. I will make some angles at home and bring here to continue. I might have to fill up these holes and drill new ones. Maybe these old engine mounts are wood and doesn't look very good everywhere. That looks pretty bad. I don't know. I am not a perfect kind of guy. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, oj, det är lite nära att ladda i burken. Ja. Hopefully I haven't damaged the cells in transit. I kind of bumped it on the deck the first time. Not very good. Is it cool? It's a bit cool for a hot cat. The mice was eating this BMS thing, so... The chaos. The wasp. The overheated cat. The undone wishes. The spoiled cat food. It's not even that warm, but we are not used to heat now. The wasp fly. No, the wasp is back. I also need to rest. Just take a break. Carrying all the batteries and all the stuff was arduous. I haven't tried my welder in 2-3 years. I don't know if it works. It doesn't look good, but maybe we can call this a prototype. I will try to weld everywhere I can find. Yeah, let's try. I had forgotten how fun it is to weld. I'm not a welder by any means. It looks like crap, but who cares? It's just that I trigger the fuse all the time. Okay, I got tired of welding more layers, but I have two approximately the same angle motor mounts. These are not stainless, of course. And the welds, yeah, they look like a pro have been at work. Ow! 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 Är du fortfarande kåting? Du är fortfarande en kåting, Matijs. From a distance it almost looks like boat parts. I tried to slightly repair, strengthen the mounts. Now that I look at them, I realize that I probably did a bad job, but well. I think that you should be at least 2 people putting up a mast, but I'm just one, and Atris is just sleeping. Atris, do you want to help? Atris? As a probably autistic person, It was much easier to put the mast on by myself than having several people shouting things and stressing me out. Now we are almost ready to sail.
Matijs. Matijs.
Hey! I probably need to cover these up. These are still exposed wire. Not very good. I had a small mishap. I was shorting maybe 6 cells and it was sparked pretty bad, but I survived. I just got a minor hole in the glove, but it was good to have gloves. Now I will try to check the BMS if it works. It's supposedly charging now. Hopefully. Later I will try to put the charger in a box underneath the bench or something, or down there maybe, and get the wire through somehow. Should I try to activate the system and try it? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. Bluetooth thing. It's looking good. Unlocked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe the boat is moving. I gotta... Okay. Wait a minute. Was I going backwards? Yes, I was going backwards. It's the wrong direction. So now I have put it in reverse. And it goes forward. Oh my god. Okay. Everything is looking pretty good. I will need to reverse the motor, and I have a lot of testing to do, so sorry about the noise, it's the fridge. So if you want to see how it goes, you can follow my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Mose, and I'm from outer space. I am an intergalactic filmmaker stranded on the last Earth. I document my sailing expeditions, off-grid amusement park, random adventures and projects, and the search for my happy-go-lucky land. And sometimes I invite you to join.